My name is Gus Rhubarb from...
Audio check. 3, 2, 1.
Hello, America, and welcome.
Stop. Sorry, I didn't have the camera right.
At 7 tonight, there's a 48% chance of rain. So make sure you have your Fox Co. branded umbrella.
Okay, you can't. It's alright.
Foco.
It's Foco.
I think this,
You guys are
wait,
really
is
good
this
with
mic, this my mic even on?
I thank you again, but what will the signing this agreement entail?
Do that again.
Oh, you want me to do this?
No, do that again, but you act like a slice for him. You have to look depressed.
I thank you again.
You have a smile on your face. You can't.
Oh, yeah, I can't smile.
Yeah, you
Okay.
can't smile.
I think.
I'm sorry. You just...
Have an amazing evening, everyone. Points at camera.
That's going in the. That's going in the. That's
Points
video.
at
Dude, points at camera. Gets up and leaves.
Like doing faux news every day. Having to, fucking,
Go back. Literally, Karen, all you have to do for this scene is fucking look at him.
I can't.
Without a smile.
That's I'm not gonna lie, that's what's tripping me up, is we're just making dead-ass eye contact. It's like...
You can look away.
Creepy.
You're saying something pretty.
I'm gonna
you
look
literally
through
don't
you.
have to-
Fuck off. Go fuck.
I don't want you guys to see my information. I'm sorry. I'd rather you not. You're standing at the door too long.
That's not even... This is the take.
It better be.
This has been the take.
Okay, you ready? You ready?
They're getting closer, Matthew. They're literally right down there.
Whoa, they have an emergency vehicle. Something real bad happened.
What do you mean?
Oh, ambulance. Uh-oh.
An this guy.
Hold on. Delayed reaction, my bad.
Good evening, America. Thank you for joining me today as we embark on an important journey of transformation and revitalization for our esteemed company, FOCO. My name is Selam Sinclair.
Alright, let's do.
2, 1, go.
Maybe, Okay, one more time. This next one.
Okay.
Dude, you're sitting there laughing.
Because he said it like.
I look up and you're just shaking.
I messed it up.
And again, thank you for your consideration. And be sure to make the right decision, Peninsula. We're counting on you.